Hi guys, kumusta po kayo? This is Marilyn, your friend, La Filipina Carpentera, dito sa Amerika. Ano bang nangyari sa akin dyan? Actually guys, nasa sasakyan kami niyan at ako ay napakasakit na ng likod ko dahil ilang oras ng pagdadrive papuntang Chicago. So nakahiga ako dyan para ma-relieve yung aking likod. Yan, aaminin mo na matanda ka na. Hindi guys, relieve ko lang yung pain ng likod ko. Ito po yung room namin for tonight. Good morning, fresh from almost 2 hours from Chicago. So we arrived here last night. We had to cut the trip into 2 legs because I couldn't make it to just one leg for such a long time. And you know, my back hurts. But anyway, we're about to leave. My appointment is about around 1 o'clock. But I don't know if we will grab lunch first before we go to the embassy or we will just do it afterwards. Well, I guess we will do it afterwards. My husband said so. Alright, alis na kami. And since Chicago is a windy city, tapos negative pa yung temperature namin in Celsius dito ngayon, nag-decide ako na gagamit ng napaka-bulky na coat. So, yan po. Yan, fashion show muna tayo. Hindi guys, get up si Carpentera kasi puntang embassy, kaya lang hindi pa nga ako malayo nakalakad. Tingnan nyo. Oh my goodness, anong nangyari sa'yo? Ba't wala kang sapatos? Yan guys, kasi nag-high heels ako. And sakit ang tiil. Since I'm wearing very long high heels, sakit na ng tiil ko. So, hanap pa tayo ng sapatos. I don't know where their shoes are. Over there. Yeah. Ikaw, Carpentera. Shopping ka, yung kapatid mo, yung bahay nahuhulpa na. Ay, guys, relax. Gagamitin ko yung ano ko. Is this house shoes? Gagamitin ko yung gift card ng mother-in-law ko. Kasi hindi na ako magsa-shopping. Wala nang shopping ang uso dito ngayon pag wala kang pera. Joke. Yeah, kung pwede lang, mapadala ko yung gift card ko doon kung may store sila na ganito doon, kaya lang wala. Mataas pa din. Gusto ko yung soft. Parang gusto ko ito. Ito na lang siguro. Nike Air Max. Or that one. Or the black one. Hanap tayo ng... Gusto ko yung medyo mataas yung sole niya. Still the same. Akala ko may nakahiga dyan. Yan, finally nakabili na rin ng bagong sapatos. Thank you mother-in-law sa iyong gift. Birthday gift niya sa akin guys. At syempre ang asawa ko ang nagdadala ng aking mga garbage. Joke. Oh, thank you Bart.
Swap with these.
Yeah, I don't need that for now. So yun na nga guys, ang reason kung bakit kami pupuntang Chicago is because kailangan kong gumawa ng special power of attorney for somebody dyan sa Pilipinas na nakabili ng aming property at nakapunta na ako dito some months ago. Mali pala yung ginawa ko na SPOA. So yun, balik na naman ako. Sabi ko sa nakabili na hindi na ako babalik dyan sa Chicago kasi nung unang pumunta namin doon, napakamahal yung nagasto namin guys. Pagkatapos ay ngayon balik na naman. So sabi ko sa kanya, uwi na lang ako dyan sa Pilipinas. Pamasahian mo ako because I cannot afford anymore. Ang laki ng nagastos ko from my own pocket the last time I went to Chicago. So yun, binook niya ako ng airfare ticket to the Philippines. Woot. Yan, uwi na sana ako guys kasi ilang years na akong hindi nakauwi. Opportunity na ito. So nasisiyahan talaga ako kasi finally, makauwi na ako. But then nung sinabi niya guys na $1,700 yung airfare, ang mahal-mahal. naaawa ako sa tao, guys. So sabi ko, my gosh, wag ka na lang spend ng ganyan kalaki. Balik na lang ako dun sa Chicago. Padalhan mo na lang ako ng $800 or so para makasave ka. So instead na bibili ka ng 1,700 na ticket ko pa uwi dyan sa Pilipinas, padalhan mo lang ako ng correct na mga papers at saka you take care of my $800 na expenses doon para makasave ka. So nakasave siya, guys, and he was like really very thankful. Very inconvenient sa amin kasi nag-off yung asawa ko, tapos yung likod ko ang sakit, pero di bali na, guys, kawawa naman yung tao, nasa Israel pa naman siya, tapos they are really in war right now, nagtatago sila pag may missile na dadating. So yun ba, so sabi ko sa kanya, wag ka nang mag-alala, punta na lang balik ako sa Chicago. Tapos pasalamat naman siya, and it really feels good na makahelp ka sa ating mga kababayan dyan, kahit na uncomfortable sa'yo or very sakit yung likod ko. This is just a small fraction of a sacrifice that I'm doing for this guy na nagtatago dahil may gera doon sa Israel. So yan, a little act of kindness goes a long way. Malapit na tayo. Tingnan nyo. We are bumper to bumper right now kasi nag-close sila ng isang lane. I hope we will make it on time at the embassy. So ito lang yung get up natin. Kahit ang daming uban, di bali na. I mean, that's a very long instruction. So ito na yung umpisang skyscraper ng ating pinupuntahan or pupuntahan. Where's the Sears Tower there? Straight ahead?
The biggest one.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yan, guys. Nung elementary and high school ako, yan yung natutunan namin sa social studies na the highest skyscraper in the world is Sears Tower. But now it's called Willis Tower kasi makita ko pa yung there's like helicopter on top of the
In half a mile, use the right lane to take exit 53C for I-55 North Stevenson Expressway toward DuSable Lake Shore Drive, 22nd Street.
That's a lot of instruction. A lot of instructions. So ito na yung Chicago. And yan, sa social studies, yan yung pinakamataas na skyscraper na building sa buong mundo. Ang Sears
Use the right
Tower.
lane to take exit 53C.
Pero ngayon, hindi na yan. I think Petronia or something yung pinakahayas ngayon as of 5 years ago sa Malaysia.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the I-55 North Stevenson Expressway ramp to Lake Shore Drive.
How would you like to live here? Napaka ng traffic. Traffic is really bad. So, yan.
I could do this too.
Are we at the loop now? Ito yung Chicago.
I guess. We went this way before.
I thought we already passed by the train tower. By the Sears Tower.
Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, what's my next turn?
In 1.3 miles, turn left on East Monroe Street. Lamit na kami sa embassy or sa consulate. Wood. Yan. And my husband is not happy with the traffic.
I like driving in. My goodness.
So what are those buildings? Apartments?
Probably.
Mga bahay-bahay yan, guys. Dito sila
Probably.
nakatira. Bahay-bahay at saka hotels.
I hope you get a green arrow. This is a weird. There we go.
Tapos yung Lake Michigan ay nandoon.
At the next light, turn right.
What's the next light though?
South Columbus.
But I'm supposed to be on this road.
Right.
At the light, turn right onto South Columbus Drive.
But I'm not going to the. This is Eastman Road, right? Is that supposed to be? That's supposed to be for the parking garage.
Oh, I don't know.
Marilyn, did you change it?
Yeah, I changed it earlier.
It needs to be to the parking garage. Oh my goodness. This is what I know. So it's right.
Why are there so many people on a Friday here?
I don't know, but I don't like this. This is what I know.
Tingnan niyo yung train nila. You don't have much crime in downtown Chicago, right? But the suburbs are horrible.
This is terrible. This is terrible.
It's okay, Corey.
I
It's
don't like
okay.
this. It's like you just can't go anywhere. You got everyone passing. Like,
It's just the way it is if you live in the
well,
city.
if we get there, I give up. Then if they're gonna, oh, you missed your appointment, then I guess you're not doing this whole thing. I'm not.
I'm gonna scream at them. Like I will tell them, do you know where we came from? How many hours do we have to drive to come here? This is so claustrophobic.
Can't say it's my favorite thing in the world.
Ito yung downtown Chicago. Is this LRT on top of us?
The elevated train.
Yeah. In the Philippines, we call it LRT.
And I got folks like. Ooh, I'm going down the problem.
Yan, ito na. Gusto nyong tumira dito? It's like so dark. You've arrived. Welcome to the Philippine Consulate.
Not here. Remember the spiral?
Yeah. It's kind of claustrophobic.
We're looking for the Philippine consulate when we get in here. I can't remember which way to go.
Ito guys, spiral yung ano nila. Yung papuntang parking garage.
Jeez.
So parang nahuhubog ka ba? Para kang I feel dizzy sa
Yeah.
katuyok-tuyok. Kanilang parking garage, ilang floors ito nakatuyok-tuyok ka lang. Yeah, that's the elevated train. Are we going out or going up?
Don't remember where it is from here. We go out.
What's the address?
122 South. It's Michigan Avenue. I just don't remember where Michigan Avenue is.
Turn left onto South Michigan Avenue.
So what's in there?
Some kind of, I don't know.
Is there a festival here? Wow, ang lamig guys. It's so cold here. Cold and windy. So where is that Dingen thing?
Where's what?
You have arrived.
Dito na? I wouldn't live in this place. Huh?
I don't think here. I just don't think it. Down this way.
Wala kami. Ito, suroy-suroy tayo sa downtown Chicago. Oh, ito na. Hopefully this is it. Finally, it's warm. Yeah, I still remember this place. Parang nasa museum ka. Tapos, punta tayo sa elevators. What floor?
16, okay. You push the button. Where the heck is anything?
15th floor daw kami punta.
16. I would not know the 16 though.
12 to 20.
It says 7 to 11.
No, this one is 12 to 20.
Alright, so that's not it. Okay, we're going to 16, so that's incorrect. Same lady, I think. She's so helpful. Yeah, your instructions are wrong. Yeah, you're right. At least she's honest.
Yeah. So, her instruction was wrong then.
Yeah. And she accepted it.
At
She
least
said,
nandito na kami.
You're
We're
right,
here.
you're right.
Yung security guard dun sa baba,
She's the
sabi
same one
niya,
that was
dito.
there before.
International Language Center. Ooh, welcome to the Philippine Consulate. Ayan na. Woot woot woot. Gutom na ako. So, ang nangyari guys is I tried to communicate with the embassy, the consulate. Ay, mamaya ko na lang ano kasi I don't have energy. Gutom na ako.